I'm Jake, and we're going to West Virginia. Huh? I'm Connor.
I'm Connor.
What are you doing, Sam?
Oh, who? Me? I'm just hanging around in the Three Rivers van.
But what are you doing?
I'm making a TikTok.
Oh, okay.
My name's Brian. I'm the bean boss of this operation.
What's your name?
Julia!
What are we doing?
We're going rafting!
What the hell is in your bag?
Oh, and
Hi.
I'm Ellery. Driving the van again.
Tell us who you are.
I'm Parker.
What are you doing?
I'm going rafting and kayaking, I guess.
How do you think that's gonna go?
Pretty good.
Okay, we'll see what happens.
Hi, I'm Andy. What's up, I'm Jake?
I'm K2.
Your name. Here's the fucking Tappan Zee Bridge. You see it? We're going over it. In the movie. This is the only time you get to hear this. A good one?
I'm Brian, and I'm Here's strawberry shortcake. Okay. You're being a huge bitch.
Fuck you, Brian. My eyes are shut. I literally did not look.
Your eyes closed. What flavor is it?
I'm just getting into the. It's something red. Watermelon? Blue is gonna be my second guess. Blue raspberry. Very blue. Nailed it. Do it lightly and like, you know.
Get close to that one. Oh! No, beans down.
I've milked a cow before. I've
Yeah.
also milked a goat. I prefer milking the goat.
I haven't milked either.
Well, we just went rafting.
Sam got yelled at.
Yeah.
And I'm a bad influence.
This is what we learned today.
Yeah. Bye. Julia, what's going on?
I don't know. A parade.
Yeah, this better be a fucking amazing parade.
Wait, what did he tell him? Did he tell him he
He
can
said
go by?
no, he said he can't.
Did he say you can go by?
Cooked me a homemade birthday cake by the time we arrived. We've been stopped.
The citizens of West Virginia are about to revolt.
Oh, he's on the clock though.
We're waiting on a parade.
She has candy. I used one of my disposable camera pictures to take a picture of the eagle.
It's a birthday miracle. I got something out here.
SpongeBob!
How does that fit into this at all?
Whoa! This one's a box.
This is hilarious!
Good aim.
People who, in many.
Throw it out.
doesn't matter. Oh, hello. What am I supposed to say? We're going rafting.
We are.
I think.
Where?
On the Gauley River in West Virginia. It's a beautiful sunny day, as you can see.
Yep. And you're the only one wearing
The
sunglasses?
forecast is for sunny skies.
It does.
80 degrees.
Nope. It said 67 degrees.
The water's running about.
This man is a liar.
The water's running about 12,000 cubic feet per second. They say that that's quite low for this time of year.
Boo that man!
Yeah. And we're gonna have a blast. Cut.
Well, that does not but in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against
Are they listening to this?
a sea of troubles, and by opposing them to die to sleep no more, and by to sleep to save it end.
You sound like you.
The Gauley River has many dangerous hazards, such as the undercuts and the sieve. But there are 3 more hazards that you ought to be aware of.
Oh my.
As you run down this river. And they're not on the river. They're on the side of the river. They might join on the river, but they're most likely on the side of the river. And the first one is the bears.
Not the bear.
The bears are in the woods on the side of the river. And then the bees.
Not the bees.
Oh no! The bees!
Oh, the bees!
Are also
Not the bees.
What do you do if you see those?
Hey.
We've had some entertaining moments on and off the river on this trip, but I'm going to focus on the off the river more. Last night, Jake got in a fierce argument with our server over the true identity of a cider the kid ordered. It was determined after a video review that he was served a drink that he did not order. Another off the river highlight was the parade that we were required to attend based on in the place that we were. But we made friends at the parade and we got candy, and it was an all-around wonderful experience. And it made us feel happy, which means we should help someone else, according to our feeling chart. Oh my god. That's my update.
Thanks.
So, here we are. We crushed the Gauley River. It was a wonderful time. And there's some Parmesan cheese. And it's over.
Look at all that cheese. It's over.